Mother bought two piglets. She had a pig pen ready for them. These pigs should be given a good care, she told Allah. Can you help me take care of them? So Anna became the caretaker of the piglets. She cleaned the pen early in the morning and gave them baths. She fed them swear which she got from their neighbors. Soon the piglets grew big and fat. When they were ready for sale, Anna felt sad. She knew mother would get a good price for them, but she would lose her pets. 1. What did Anna's mother buy? A. Two piglets. Where did she keep them? B. In a pig pen. 3. Whom did she ask to help her take care of her? A. Anna. Did Anna like to take care of the pigs? A. Yes. What? Number 5. Ay.